Hello, everyone, and I want to welcome you to the CES 2022 back in Las Vegas. It's so great to be back with people. Of course, technology has kept us connected during the pandemic. It's been a great tool for businesses, families, and our society, and it's kept us moving forward. But after 2 years, or almost 2 years, of relying on technology, our expectations for the products we love are now even higher. And to meet these expectations, the consumer technology industry must innovate and evolve to a new normal, embracing new consumer preferences, priorities, and needs. Now, our keynote speaker tonight knows something about adapting in the face of major challenges. As a longtime leader in the industry, it's what Samsung Electronics CEO J.H. Han has done throughout his entire career. An innovator, pioneer, and problem solver, J.H. is a leading expert in TV research and development. His incomparable drive to provide consumer-oriented solutions has played a major role in Samsung's industry success. During his tenure, Samsung has been at the top of global TV sales for 15 consecutive years, and he's pioneered new technologies like 8K, QLED, and lifestyle TVs. In his recently announced role as CEO of the newly created DX division at Samsung, J.H. will also lead in creating seamless experiences across Samsung's flagship smartphones and TVs. But you know that adaptation is about more than the products themselves. It also reflects a growing demand for the business community to lead in addressing big issues, global issues like sustainability and climate change. Tonight, J.H. will share his vision for the future, how technology can exist together with people and the planet, and how a more sustainable, customized future can help to bring all of us together. And now, to tell you more about it, please welcome J.H. Han.
Ladies and gentlemen, please give a warm welcome to the Vice Chairman and CEO from Samsung Electronics, J.H. Han.
You are a strong, visible, principled, moral leader. Thank you for being here on this stage in Las Vegas. Break a leg.
Thank you. Hello, and welcome to the 2022 Consumer Electronics Show. It's great to be back in Las Vegas to see all of you again, both here and online. Each year at CES, we show you how advanced technologies like AI, IoT, robotics, and 5G will open up new possibilities for millions around the world. Of course, this CES is different. Over the past 2 years, our expectations of technology have changed. We have found greater value in togetherness, being closer with friends, family, and society. We want not only gorgeous products and connected experiences, but also a better, healthier planet. At Samsung, we understand these new realities and your expectations for the future. So today, we are sharing our vision for how hyper-connected and customized experiences not only connect us with family and friends, but also help us live in harmony with our planet to create a more sustainable world. After all, as the world leader in consumer electronics, we have a responsibility to protect our environment and build a better future. Our innovation leadership will be aligned with our leadership in sustainable innovation. To that end, Samsung has made sustainability part of everything we do. Our product life cycle is designed to minimize the impacts on the environment. With new technology that both connects and conserves, we are empowering consumers to reduce their environmental footprints. So now, sustainability can be part of your product experience, enabling you to live a more sustainable life. It's what we call everyday sustainability. As Samsung, we are always working towards a future where the technology works seamlessly with you in the center. A future where connected experiences bring us together and unlock new values in our lives and in society. We believe that everyone should be able to customize their devices, that the cutting-edge technologies are more connected and intuitive. This will help us find a better way to use technologies for tomorrow, foster a sense of community, and improve how we live. I am excited for you to be a part of our vision, to see how innovation can create positive change, to join us and work together for tomorrow. Only because together can we make the impact we need to solve our challenges and experience life's opportunities. In 1967, the thousands gathered for the first ever consumer electronics show. Both technology and society have advanced rapidly since. Yet, we've all seen progress alone is not enough. We need to live in balance with our natural ecosystems. This balance is only possible when we join together to preserve our environments and reimagine a better planet. So today, I want to share more about how Samsung is investing to create a healthier environment. How you, our customers and partners, can play an important role joining us to build a better tomorrow. After all, we know you are passionate about sustainability. Each day, you recycle useless energy and choose eco-conscious products. This inspires us to do more. Every year, Samsung sells 500 million devices, and many smart devices available today come with Samsung's chipsets. Our innovations have become an integral part of everyday life. So much that even the small changes can make a big difference beyond our imagination. This has led us to rethink our product life cycle. How? By building sustainability into the product journey, from manufacturing and packaging to product use and disposal. In manufacturing, Samsung has been recognized for reduced carbon emissions throughout the production cycle of our screens and mobile devices. In fact, last year, Samsung's carbon footprint certified chips helped reduce carbon emissions by nearly 700,000 tons. Of course, our efforts are not limited to semiconductors. Recycled materials are also a big part of the sustainability journey today and into the future. Today, your favorite products like a bespoke refrigerator, Galaxy Buds, or Quality include recycled materials. But we are not done, because this year we'll use 30 times more recycled plastic for screens than it did last year. And in 3 years, we'll expand the use of recycled materials to all of mobile products and home appliances. For many of us, the unboxing experience is one of the best moments in the product journey. It is now one of the most eco-conscious too. Last year, all of our TV boxes included recycled materials. This year, we are expanding our efforts with the packaging inside the box, incorporating recycled materials for styrofoam, box holders, and plastic bags. Also, dramatically shortening box production time to reduce emissions. Our eco-packaging program even finds new uses for that cardboard box, creative inventions, like side tables and cat houses. This year, we are making our eco-packaging global with home appliances, including our vacuum cleaner, microwave oven, air purifier, and more. Our approach to packaging is simple: conserve resources, reduce waste, and promote reuse. After the unboxing and setup, it is time to connect your devices. Well, there is energy efficiency in that too. Our expanded SmartThings energy service lets you monitor your electricity usage. Based on your habits, SmartThings energy recommends ways for you to save energy and money. Contribute to a better future right from your home. Like some of you here today, I am an engineer. I love making technology, like the TV remote, better and better over time. Last year, we introduced the industry's first solar cell remote to eliminate the batteries by recharging it from the lights inside your home. And now, our enhanced solar cell remotes is even better, getting electricity from radio frequencies in devices like Wi-Fi routers. What's more, it will be included in more Samsung products like our new Samsung TVs and home appliances, all with the hope of eliminating more than 200 million batteries from landfills. When you line them up, it is the distance from right here, Las Vegas, to Korea. It's not just the remote controls that will be better for the environment. By 2025, we are making our TVs and phone chargers operate on near zero standby power, so they will consume almost no energy when idle. Now, I've talked through building products, packaging them, and using them at home. But there is a final step in the sustainability journey, saying goodbye to your favorite device. E-waste is a big challenge facing the entire industry. So, since 2009, Samsung has collected more than 5 million tons of e-waste. And as a part of our efforts, last year, we introduced Galaxy for the Planet, the sustainability platform for mobile, where one of many initiatives is giving that older device a new purpose, collecting and turning previous generations of smartphones into IoT devices, refurbishing phones so they don't go to waste. Millions of everyday changes can make a meaningful impact for our planet. Let's take a look at other ways we are infusing everyday sustainability into our devices.
We know you care about our planet. You bike rather than drive. Choose stainless over plastic straws. And even pick up trash on your morning run. Just like you, our efforts also started in your everyday life. What if you reduce standby power with your plugs? Your remote no longer needs disposable batteries. Save water, detergent, and energy for your laundry. Check the details of how much power you use every day. Reduce energy and heat while you work. If we can do it all together every day, there's really nothing more rewarding. We believe that these moments add up to a more sustainable tomorrow. Every day, sustainability with Samsung.
These are important steps. But we cannot achieve our goals alone. Together with you and the industry leaders, we can do even more. We believe open innovation and collaboration are keys to fighting climate change and protecting our environment. To that end, I am excited to share that Samsung's eco-conscious technologies, like the solar cell remote, will be made open and accessible to others, so that like us, they can create sustainable experiences and address environmental challenges. One such challenge is microplastics, tiny specks of plastic that could harm our environment, especially the water. Experts believe microplastics get into the water through the laundry cycle. To address this, we are collaborating with Patagonia, bringing our shared vision of a healthy planet to life. To tell you more, please welcome Mr. Vincent Stanley from Patagonia.
Thanks so much to the people of Samsung for this invitation and for including Patagonia in this program. We're so honored to be here. We have a simple but difficult mission statement. We're in business to save our home planet. I've been with Patagonia for nearly 50 years, and this goal sounds as aspirational to me as it must to you. But every day, I'm inspired by the work of our employees up and down the org chart who ask the critical questions. What does this commitment mean for my work, the work of our team, the products we produce? How do I help realize this saving of our home planet? Our founder, Yvon Chouinard, climber, surfer, angler, and kayaker, didn't own a tent until he was 40. And most of his adult life spent more than 200 nights a year sleeping outdoors. He saw early on, more clearly than those of us who work every day in an office, the loss of the natural world every time he went back to a place he knew and loved. saw the melting of a glacier, caught fewer and smaller trout in the stream, surfed a break whose best waves had been lost to development. But what was once apparent only to Yvon, to field scientists, to commercial fishermen, is now apparent to us all. Our home planet is less habitable than it was 10 years ago, 5 years ago, last year. It will take the life work of all of us, remembering that we are a part of nature, to help nature thrive again. In business, we can no longer spoil the earth and expect others to pay for the cleanup. We must all do our part to make long-lasting, functional products in a responsible way. Patagonia is no exception. And one problem for our company has been the shedding of microplastic fibers from our fleece jackets, so small in diameter that they cannot, so far, be filtered out in washing machines or trapped in municipal wastewater systems. They make their way out the rivers to the ocean and into the stomachs of seabirds. This is a serious problem and not one we can solve on our own. But for a long time, no one could help us. A few months ago, we started a conversation with leaders from Samsung, including their sustainability team, on ways for washers to filter microplastic fibers. And like our own employees who ask how our mission statement applies to their own jobs, Samsung's engineers took this problem to heart and are working to develop a very sophisticated new washer that will be able to filter microplastic waste and keep it out of the water. The progress is quick, and we're so grateful for the work Samsung's people are doing and so impressed by your people. This is a perfect example of the kind of collaboration we all need to help turn the tide of climate change and restore nature to health.
Thank you, Mr. Stanley. We are thrilled about this collaboration, but our work won't stop there. We plan to explore other partnerships, exciting collaboration with industry leaders to address the challenges facing our planet. Samsung's commitment to sustainable innovation, what we call everyday sustainability, will empower millions to build a better future. Together for tomorrow. As we rethink our products for greater sustainability, we also want to find ways to help you redefine your relationship to the technologies you use every day. To do this, we are looking to the next generation of innovators, creators, and technology experts that are reshaping our world. Each day, they challenge us all to expect more, to take the fresh look at how products and experiences fit into our lives. Here's what I mean.
So tell me, what's your screen like? Can it go where you want it to go? Can it be what you want it to be? Enjoy without limits, like me.
Eyes on me everywhere, but I still take the dare. My game is always fair. I am a champion. Trials don't make me run. The challenge makes it fun. If you see me make an offer, then watch me while I conquer. Yeah, you can throw me out, but I'll come back around. I will not back down. I will always be impossible to beat. I will explore the comfort more, 'cause I'm a boomerang, 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 yeah, I'm a boomerang.
Hi everyone, I'm Gina from Samsung's Future Generation Lab. Guess where I am? I'm currently backstage playing with the Freestyle, using its cool features to project this onto my face. The Freestyle gives you the flexibility to create anything that you want. Let me share with you more ways you can use the Freestyle on stage. Hey everyone, I'm here to tell you how Samsung is bringing new technology to life for the next generation. I'm a big traveler and I love the outdoors. So if I'm setting up the perfect cozy campsite with my friends, we're definitely going to want to set the mood and have some entertainment for the night. And that's why Samsung's new portable screen, the Freestyle, is perfect. It gives you a cinema-like experience no matter where you are. The design is really sleek and it weighs less than 2 pounds, so it's super easy to pack in a bag. And because it has a 180-degree cradle stand and adjusts the screen automatically, you really can set it up anywhere. You never have to compromise because the screen itself can project up to 100 inches. Connecting to the Freestyle is also incredibly easy. Just tap your phone and mirror content almost instantly. No cables or even Wi-Fi required. I just got the Galaxy Z Flip 3 and I can use it along with any other Samsung Galaxy device as a remote, just by tapping this button on the top. But if you don't have a Samsung, you can still use the Freestyle. The Freestyle is open to all devices that connect to SmartThings, giving everyone an opportunity for a totally flexible screen experience. But more than just content, you can play with the Freestyle's ambient mode to reflect your vibe. For me, city skylines and neon light are great for setting the mood. Or get creative and project your own art wherever you want. You can also personalize your space with a fake window. See? It looks so real. It even acts as a smart speaker with a 360-degree sound, so you can use the lights and music to have a party wherever you are. Quite simply, whether you want to use it in your living room, bedroom, or what about your kitchen? Or even a campsite. Wherever you are, the Freestyle can make your space anything you want it to be. The Freestyle also comes with many of the audio and visual accessibility features from our smart TV lineup, such as audio description and voice guides. And you can manage content hands-free with your voice up to 13 feet away. Okay, so I've just shared with you all the cool ways that you can use the Freestyle to get creative with the screens in your space. Now, I'd like to invite my fellow Future Generation Lab member, Andrew, on stage to share how Samsung is bringing new experiences to one of the most popular technologies today, gaming. Come on out, Andrew.
Thanks, Gina. Hello, CES. I'm thrilled to share with you what Samsung has coming. I lead Samsung's Future Generation Lab across Europe, where we connect to future generations, their experiences and passions, and work with Samsung to reflect them across our latest innovations. One of the values Gen Z cares about most is connecting with others. And with nearly 4 billion gamers around the world, we know games can do exactly that. Samsung has been listening and learning from the gaming community for years. And we know a better experience can bring people together, connecting us without limits. So today, we are introducing the next destination for all things gaming, the Samsung Gaming Hub. The Gaming Hub bridges the gap between hardware and software to create a simpler, easier way to discover and play tons of games from great partners like NVIDIA GeForce Now, Stadia, and Utomic. No game downloads required. Plus, because it's all in one place, you can jump right in with your current controller, and our TVs provide amazing gameplay performance with stunning graphics and low latency. With leading game partners, Samsung's cutting-edge technology, and our continued commitment to putting the player first, the Gaming Hub will completely change how you play in 2022. It will be available on 2022 Samsung Smart TVs and monitors later this year, and stay tuned for even more announcements in the next few months. Beyond the games you play, we know the whole experience is just as important. Whether it's playing, chatting, streaming, or even doing some work on the side. That's why we're introducing Odyssey Arc. Odyssey Arc is a next-generation gaming screen that you can set up horizontally or vertically to make the best use of your space and get right in the center of the action. Plus, Odyssey Arc is huge. It's 55 inches horizontally, but its curved design and customizable angles help make long gaming sessions easy on your eyes. You can really make Odyssey Arc your own. Rotate the screen for the gaming cockpit of your dreams, change the lights, and switch the interface in the palm of your hand with the wireless wheel controller. But while Odyssey Arc gets you in the zone, Samsung also made sure you're able to multitask when needed. Multi-view options let you catch up with friends while playing, and an ambient game screen means you can adjust the on-screen dimensions to fit whatever game you're playing, from the full 55 inches down to 24 inches without losing your spot on the leaderboard. The Gaming Hub and Odyssey Arc welcome you to gaming without limits. Video calls and home workouts have become a part of every day. Virtual experiences bring people together amid uncertainty and help you feel closer to your family and friends amid our ever-shifting world. As we move forward, we want to make virtual experiences fit even more seamlessly into the way you're living now and how you will communicate tomorrow. We are continuing to explore features, both videos and texting, that make it easier to connect virtually with friends and family from the Samsung products you already use every day. Take virtual wellness. The body composition sensors and smarter tracking on the Galaxy Watch 4 can unlock tons of collaborative ways to reach your fitness goals on your wrist and with your friends that Samsung is developing now. From gaming to virtual experiences, we will never stop pushing the boundaries. Now, I'd like to welcome my friend and colleague, Anna, to share more about our flexible, customizable product vision. Anna, welcome.
Thank you, Andrew. Hi, everyone. I'm part of the Future Generation Lab in New York, and in my role, I spend a lot of time researching what you really want to make your daily life easier and better. We have found that you want tomorrow's technologies to be more personal, and I do too. I have 3 different Galaxy Watch bands. One for the gym, one for going out with friends, and one for big events, like presenting at CES. Now that I can change the look and feel of things like my watch, I want to create experiences that totally reflect me. Our technology, especially at home, should be an extension of how we live and who we are, our tastes and personalities. We introduced this with our bespoke kitchen appliances, and this year, bespoke is expanding to the entire home. We're bringing bespoke to 3-door and 4-door French door refrigerators, and the Smart Family Hub with panels in, get this, 12 colors. This includes brand new colors like clementine glass and emerald green steel that look great and fit your aesthetic. Our dishwashers, ranges, and over-the-range microwaves are getting a splash of color too to complete your customizable kitchen. We're also bringing bespoke to your living room and laundry room. Our new bespoke jet vacuum and all-in-one clean station is super sleek and comes in 3 colors that blend in naturally. No more hiding the vacuum in the closet. And the bespoke washer and dryer does the same, with multiple colors and a flat front design that looks great from any direction. The Smart Washer gets even more customizable with AI. It learns and recommends your regular cycles and uses AI to take the guesswork out of how long to wash and how much detergent you actually need. The bespoke home is all about making your space reflect your tastes and evolve as you do. From how our products are made to how you use them, Samsung is constantly creating technologies and experiences that can be personalized to you. Last year, we introduced an all-new bespoke experience with the Galaxy Z Flip 3 and Galaxy Watch 4. And our bespoke home gives you endless ways to customize your appliances. Plus, with Samsung's lifestyle screens like the Frame and now the Freestyle, we're encouraging everyone to be more creative with their spaces. We're putting a personal spin on all the experiences around you. And now you can do it all from one place with the YouMake project. YouMake is a customization hub, a place where you can tailor your favorite technologies and experiences to fit you. With YouMake, you have the power to go hands-on and customize the products and experiences you use every day. You'll be able to find YouMake at Samsung.com starting this month, where you can customize your devices and see how others did too. Let's take a look at how you're making your own with Samsung.
Hey! Oh, it's you. Hey.
How are you?
I'm good. You're Americano. Enjoy your cup.
We can make a big, big world. We can take it to the sky. Take it to the sky. I can fix you up.
Bring it up.
I can make you believe. I can give you all.
Right there.
Wanna set you free.
Engage that core, don't forget. Okay, get those hands a little bit harder. Great, looks good.
Here we are, we can make a big, big world. We can take it to the sky. Take it to the sky.
Come on. I got this. Just a little bit more. Yes!
You YouMake puts you at the center of all your experiences. It will evolve over time as we continue to understand your lifestyle and passion points. And now, we're going to share how Samsung is unlocking even more freedom with your devices through SmartThings. And there's no one better to do that than my friend, Mark Benson.
Thanks, Anna. It's great to be here to share our vision for a connected and personalized smart home experience. The idea of a home made better with cutting-edge technologies has really evolved from a single internet-enabled device to a unified and intelligent home experience. With our homes now being used for work, fitness, and tons of other things, a connected smart home feels like something we can't live without. The good news is that it's possible today, because with more than 2/3 of US households having some sort of smart home device, from appliances and lighting to fitness trackers, we have a glimpse of what the truly connected home can be. As the head of engineering for SmartThings, I've often been called a smart home expert. Yet, we believe you shouldn't have to be an expert to have an intelligent, connected home experience. The smart home has to work for us, be intuitive and helpful, smart, easy to use, and customized to the way we live. Yet getting all your devices working together can be a challenge. Today, we're making it simpler. SmartThings Hub software will be a built-in capability in most of our TVs, smart monitors, and Family Hub refrigerators, so you can control smart devices from virtually any room in the home. Integrating SmartThings Hub software into the products you use most is a major step forward in making connected living more accessible and seamless for everyone. And we're not stopping there. Here at CES, we're unveiling a completely new intelligent living experience, the foundation for your connected home. Introducing the Samsung Home Hub. Thoughtfully designed, intelligent, and hyper-connected, the Samsung Home Hub is your everyday home assistant. Jumpstart that family meal, set the temperature and the lighting just right, or simply get more things done so you can spend time on those meaningful moments of life. Powered by SmartThings, Samsung Home Hub integrates with your compatible AI-powered appliances and other devices. Smart connected living has gone through many phases. First, it was smart home. Then it was connected home. And now it's becoming just home. SmartThings enabled products combined with our commitment to the smart home standard Matter will help create a seamless, connected experience at home and beyond. While Samsung continues to innovate for a smarter home, we know that we can't do this alone. Samsung, along with GE, Haier, Electrolux, Trane, and Arçelik, are working together on a shared vision to ensure that all the large investments in your home, from HVAC systems to TVs and fridges, offer safety, reliability, and security, regardless of brand. We're calling our partnership the Home Connectivity Alliance, or HCA. I'd like to welcome Catherine Shin from Trane, another founding member of the HCA, to share more about how we're working together to build a more collaborative, connected home. Welcome, Catherine.
Thanks, Mark. I'm really excited to be here today to talk about Trane Residential's involvement as a founding member of the Home Connectivity Alliance, and also to share with you a little bit more about the goals of the HCA. As a global coalition of smart home appliance manufacturers, HCA members share a common belief that connected ecosystems and digital technologies will enable us to further develop and amplify consumer experiences that are hyper-personalized and truly smart. And leveraging our deep-rooted expertise in products, in digital technology, and in data infrastructure, the HCA is going to be focused on achieving three main goals. First, HCA is going to enable full interoperability between products that are manufactured by members of the HCA, with a focus on cloud-to-cloud connectivity. And what this really means for consumers is that they're gonna have more choices to select from the appliance brands they already know and trust that will all operate together seamlessly to offer more elegant, holistic living experiences. Imagine a scenario where your TV works with your HVAC system to detect temperature in the home and figure out where people are in the home, to automatically adjust all the settings to make sure that your comfort is hyper-personalized and you're truly getting a comfortable temperature experience in your home, in every single room. Or your robot vacuum working with your air purifier to measure and detect air quality in your home, and as needed, clean the air automatically to create healthy living spaces for consumers. It's pretty cool stuff, right? And we believe this is what the HCA can turn into reality. Second, we're committed to delivering consumer safety and data security across everything we do in the IoT landscape. Not only are members of the HCA working feverishly to ensure that products run reliably, we're also going to ensure that data that runs through those products is stored in a secure environment and being leveraged constantly to improve your daily living experiences. Families can now rest assured that all the products, the smart appliances they have in their home that can seem pretty complex and technical in nature are going to be operated in a fully secure and fully safe environment, even in this hyper-digital era that we live in. And finally, our third goal is going to be our commitment to delivering tangible and continuous innovation in the smart home landscape. And through interoperability and artificial intelligence, we believe there are some exciting opportunities here to innovate together around product experiences. As more accurate and reliable data becomes available about how consumers use appliances in their home, HCA has an opportunity to make a lasting impact by delivering actionable insights to consumers about how they can reduce their energy consumption and ultimately save on their energy bills. And HCA members, we represent a multiple array of brands and products that can amplify this effect and bring our industry one step closer to achieving energy-independent homes of the future. That is the shared vision of the HCA, and together, through strong collaboration, we're going to foster and cultivate a culture of healthy competition and innovation that allows us to re-envision the appliance experience of the future. For all the global appliance manufacturers out there, we invite you to come join us in this journey if you share our common beliefs of interoperability, of efficiency, and of innovation. We want you to come join us in this journey, help us achieve the vision together, and redefine our approach to home connectivity. With that, I want to thank you for your time today. Hope you enjoyed the rest of CES 2022. And please join me now in welcoming J.H. Han back to the stage.
Hello again. Thank you to our partners for joining us and embracing a future of seamless connectivity. The future you've seen today is exciting and hopeful. of innovation and collaboration for more sustainable existence. Technology that brings out our potential. This is a future we must build together for tomorrow. Yet, a brighter future is more than social responsibility. It is also about enabling people, especially the next generations, to realize the change they want to see, to turn dreams into action. For Samsung, this means developing today's youth and building skills for tomorrow's workplace. Our Solve for Tomorrow program encourages young people to use technology to solve social issues in their community. Coached and mentored by Samsung employees, young people rise to the challenge, inspiring us along the way. Take the students in Colombia who used cutting-edge technologies to turn coffee grounds into biofuel and reduce carbon emissions. With technology, Solve for Tomorrow students in Texas built an application to foster one-on-one connections with elderly residents isolated during the pandemic. A virtual connection that brought joy and hope to those feeling alone. Entering its 12th year, Solve for Tomorrow has now reached more than 2 million students in over 35 regions around the world. It's not just this program that's preparing young people for the future. Samsung Innovation Campus is the training ground for the next generation of technology leaders. The gateway to a thriving career in today's technology economy. Through partnerships with local universities, more than 2,000 female engineers in Spain have been certified on the latest in IoT and AI. And in Turkey, nearly 90% of innovation campus graduates landed their dream jobs, despite a high youth unemployment rate. Together, these programs represent real progress. And so today, I'm honored to share that Samsung's programs to empower the next generation now have reached more than 21 million people since 2012. This is the better tomorrow we all seek, enabling people to reach beyond their dreams. A planet protected so others can experience its wonders. Innovation as the spark for change. Thank you, and have a wonderful CES.